Oh, good. I'm going to be in the back of this time lapse. Right. How many glasses of wine will Faith have during one?
I made 24 cupcakes. 2 dozen cupcakes, and so I'm gonna make a batch of vanilla cream cheese buttercream. And so you're gonna soften 2 sticks of butter to room temperature, and you're gonna put it in your mixer.
I would just eat just straight butter.
Straight butter. Oops. And then I have a block of cream cheese. And then you're going to put a little bit of vanilla in there. And
what flavor of vanilla do you use?
I just eyeball it. I used vanilla.
Oh, perfect.
The vanilla flavored vanilla is my favorite. And then I just eyeball it like a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons or something.
There was more than 2 teaspoons in there.
And then I put a little splash of whipping cream, maybe 2 splashes of whipping cream, and then I'm gonna turn on the mixer, and I'm just gonna let it all incorporate and get really like fluffy and airy. The base of our frosting is thickened up, and you want to just let that mix and get light and fluffy. And I'm going to pour the entire bag of powdered sugar,
Winco brand,
into the mixer. I do 2 sticks of butter, 1 block of cream cheese, and at least a whole bag of powdered sugar.
And this is keto friendly.
Oh.
Okay,
Be very
well
careful.
now I'm covered in powdered sugar.
Oopsie. I'm going to actually show you a trick, maybe. Get a clean towel.
Oh. Used towel.
Fancy people have
guards. So you don't sneeze in it.
And you can just
so
let it rip.
Technical question.
Yes.
Is this soaking up the sugar, or is it deflecting it back into the bowl?
Deflecting it back in.
Are you sure? I'm going to look on it when it's done. Soaked!
Okay, so once you get some powdered sugar in there mixed, you want to put more whipping cream in here. And you're just going to let this mix and mix and mix until it's light and fluffy and combined. Just let her rip. Oh my god, that looks so good. You want to let it mix for probably 10 minutes.
What? Why?
10 minutes so that it gets really, really fluffy and it pipes really easy. Okay, so I want to show you really quick how to make the easiest piping bag.
Wait.
But piping bags are expensive, and you probably have the tools in your house already. So you're just going to get a Ziploc bag. I usually use the big ones because I'm frosting a lot of cupcakes, and I want to get a lot of frosting in them.
So is this the gallon size?
This is the gallon size.
Is it the real original Ziploc brand?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to tag them. Feel free to sponsor us.
Feel free to sponsor me. And so basically...
Oh, I want to zoom in on how much.
You want to eyeball how wide your tip is. So you kind of want to gauge it. You don't want to cut too big of a hole because then your tip will slide right out.
And then you waste a whole bag.
Yeah, so you're going to just start small. It's like cutting hair.
Oh.
Okay, we won't use that tip. We'll use this one. This one is a star type tip.
Oh, I love that.
And this will make really pretty roses. And so you just...
Can you put food coloring in it, or is it going to be white frosting?
This is going to be white frosting with sprinkles on top.
When they do that.
And so you can see that the bag slides over about halfway down the tip.
Nice and secure. Okay.
And then we're going to invert the bag.
Oh.
And just kind of puff it out a little bit. And this is your bowl that all your frosting's going to go into. Mm-hmm. And you'll hold the sides up. And you'll just kind of twist the top a little bit, or just hold it at the top, and all your frosting will be right here.
So question.
And then you frost your cupcakes.
Question. So let's say that you're getting tired. Oh, we're getting tired while frosting cupcakes.
Okay.
And you have to wait till the next day. Can you simply close the Ziploc and let the frosting sit overnight?
No. You're going to have to refrigerate it because it has butter and cream cheese in it.
Vegan.
And whipping cream.
Vegan.
Dairy-free. So you're going to have to refrigerate this, and then you're going to have to put this back into the mixer the next day when it's come to room temperature because you want your frosting to be fluffy and light. Great question.
Look, see how there's divots in it? It looks like Mother Willow.
Yeah, so if you need it to be a little bit thicker, you just want to add a little bit more powdered sugar and keep mixing it.
Why would you need it thicker?
Because you don't want your frosting to fall off your cupcake.
Well, I don't
And
know
if it's
what
too
you-
runny, it'll fall right off. So you could just fill it like half full. And if you want to follow me, you have your cupcakes that have been cooled. And then I'm coming out the top. So you start in the center and
Oh my god, they're so cute!
you gently squeeze and twist.
They look like little Oompa Loompas.
Gently squeeze and twist.
Do you say that every single time you do it? Squeeze and twist. Squeeze and twist. How fast? Less bulk is the official term.
Yeah, so I buy them in bulk on Amazon.
Oh.
Super easy. They're just plastic clamshell cupcake holders.
What does clamshell mean?
It means they clamp in
Wow.
like a clam.
Keeps them safe.
Yeah.